Hey, what are you doing there? Yes, you. Were you about to record yourself using Zoom on your laptop? You know, that's going to produce a very low quality video. We can produce a better video using your cell phone. Do you have a cell phone? Great, let's go get it. Hey Fred, did you find your cell phone? Awesome! Now, do you have a cell phone tripod? You look confused. It's okay, if you don't have one, we can buy one online. Let's go do that right now. Yeah. Let's visit one of your regional online retail stores. In the search engine, type in cell phone tripod. Here you'll find many affordable options. Great work, Fred. And with same-day delivery, you should be ready to start rolling in no time. So we have our cell phone and our cell phone tripod. Now we need a light source so that we can properly light our face while recording. So Fred, do you have a light source we could use for this project? That works! With these 3 items in place, we're able to start setting up. Let's get started. Great work, Fred! Looks like you got your tripod, your light fixture, and your cell phone all set up. You're almost done. Yeah, let's start rolling so you can see what we're missing.
Recording. I can hear myself. Why is there not a back noise?
Because you're using your cell phone's microphone. Do you have a headset we could use?
I do.
Great! Let's give it a shot. By using a headset, the microphone will be much closer to your mouth. This makes it easier to clean up in post-production.
Okay. Are you sure this is... Oh. Okay. So this is how you record for a social media post. But we're not done yet. We have to adjust our cameras now to where you get the perfect room. If you notice me right now, see where my head is? There's very little headroom. This is perfect because we can see most of your body. Many people they tend to record like this, and this is not a very good idea, guys. Their heads will be down here in the very bottom. Does that look attractive? I don't think so. So always keep the headroom in mind. Maybe even that a little bit lower. But you get the idea, right? What do you think? All right. Fred Galvan Jr. is out.